gonna be. We have the bottom. Did get this mirror. Never been to an actual.
Hey, where are we going?
Kitchen story. Woohoo! So good. Babe, we should get the meal in there bacon.
Yeah, we're definitely getting the flight.
So we can like share it.
Yeah.
You're standing on lettuce right now. Hi guys. Oh, I thought I heard something. Hi guys, happy Sunday. We're gonna make pasta. I'm gonna make spicy rigatoni with the Caesar salad with a chili. It's being crazy. Look how big he is now. And then these are the ingredients we bought. Oh, and we're gonna do some garlic bread too. Cucumbers, lettuce. This chorizo is so freaking good. We got Parmesan, the pasta, truffle salt, okay. Olives, just some things that we needed. I love this on my noodles. I'm not gonna do it for the spicy rigatoni, but in general I like it. Cherry tomatoes, and yeah, this is all just stuff we needed. So this is how the living room looks. It's kind of messy right now, but we did get this mirror. I think it was from Restoration Hardware. And then that plant as well. Not him looking at himself. And then we got this at IKEA. We got this table. No, I think this is from Restoration Hardware. I still need to put a picture in here, but I love it. We got this bookshelf, which I think looks so much better than the other one. It just matches the place better. That's from IKEA as well. And then we got a little stand for the side, just to put like drinks and stuff. We still have some things we need to build, but it's coming together. And then I think we're gonna kind of switch up the coffee bar area, declutter it. And then we want to get a new table because this one's too big for this space. Doesn't look bad, but it just gives us very little space to go around it. So we kind of want a round small one, but it doesn't bother me that much, so I'm not really in a hurry to do that. I'm excited. I'm gonna organize, declutter the kitchen this week. I'm so freaking excited. I haven't had time because I've been working, but I do have some time this week to do that. I'm gonna try this truffle salt. Oh, but he did with like vinegar. Yeah, we have the vodka pasta with a lot of different shapes and textures. And this is Sean's chicken. So what do you guys think this dinner is gonna be out of 10?
What?
Out of 10, what do you think this dinner is gonna be?
I think it's gonna be like a 10.
Wow.
Did you like my pasta? Oh, I'm in my cooking era, I think. Then Tanya and Aiden made this.
Yummy!
Good job, guys.
Help you from God with mission.
It's hard.
You never had mother.
I just got done with my workout. I just did a 12-3-30 and I'm drinking my coffee. I'm gonna make breakfast and I'm watching podcast with Chili. Let's make some breakfast. Come on. Hi. I'm drinking a kombucha
sour candy.
I wanted to show you guys what I got from the mall yesterday. Never been to an actually I don't own anything Aloe. I've never been to a store or bought anything from them, but I really needed some workout stuff, so I went to the Aloe. First thing I got was this cute Clubhouse jacket. It is so cute. Oh my god, I got the cutest leggings. These are called the Airlift High Waist Game Changer leggings. What I like about them is the bottom. They have little buttons where you can open it if you get hot, and I like leggings that are like straight leg. Is this straight leg? Not the ones that are super tight to you. I don't know why. And then, oh my god, this was one of my favorites. It's just a shirt, but it's off the shoulder. And the material is so nice. It feels so thin and light. Like, honestly, it feels like you're wearing nothing. And then I just got a Aloe Soft Crop Finesse long sleeve. Oh, this is what my hair looks. I don't know if I showed it. I tried showing it. Just got my roots done. And then I got a little bit of face framing and curtain bangs. We're gonna go to Pismo this weekend, so I should be packing, but I'm not packing. Oh.